All right, everybody, live Doppler 13 meteorologist Sean Hash here with an update on what we've been talking about all week long. Time for talk just about over. This time, Thursday, we will be in the teeth of the winter storm here. I want to talk about changes from today from what we were talking about yesterday, and just a little difference in the timing. It will get in here a little quicker. It's also going to depart a little quicker. Let's run it down for you here and step you through this. So that's really the biggest change. We've been telling you all week long the winter storm watch would become a warning of some sort, and that happened. It will start technically at 3 p.m. Thursday. It will go until 7 p.m. Friday. Those will be the worst conditions. The main impacts have not changed. We are going to have the flash freeze that we've talked about for several days, where the moisture on the roads and sidewalks becomes an ice because of the rapid temperature drop, the dangerous cold, the high wind, and at times we're going to have blizzard conditions. And we are going to have a period of heavy snowfall as well. The bulk of the accumulation when we get to the snowfall map is going to occur from about 6 p.m. to 2 a.m. Friday. It's a short time frame, and during that we could have 1 to 2 inch per hour snow rates. Also, with the strong wind is the possibility, if not likelihood, of power outages and wind damage, and that is not a good recipe considering how dangerous the cold's going to be. I want to point your attention to Cheyenne, Wyoming, that had a 40-degree temperature drop in just 30 minutes. That's how strong this boundary is that's going to be spilling south, and look at the dangerous wind chills gearing up. That is a major, major concern for us, and that's all moving in our direction. Tonight, tomorrow morning, no problems. Doesn't mean we're going to be completely dry. Probably will have a little sleet or rain trying to develop here. But out the door in the morning, temperatures will be in the middle 30s. Let's follow the front and notice how sharp it is going to be. Should be lining up along the Indiana-Illinois border there around 3 o'clock. Gets into the metro area roughly 4 or 5 p.m. I mean, look at the sharp difference here across our state, and then watch as it goes through. As soon as it kicks in, temperatures nosedive. So this is by 7 p.m. Thursday, a bulk of our viewing area. Likely going to be in moderate to heavy snow with temperatures tumbling fast. So this is a horrible recipe for the roads because we mentioned the rain preceding the front. That means they can't pre-treat the roads, and then we're going to have the heavy snow. And then we've had the flash freeze, and then temperatures near and going below zero. So there's really nothing the road crews are going to be able to do to get this stuff cleaned up. The roads are going to get very, very messy. We've got a broad area of 3 to 6. Still a very difficult snow forecast because we're going to have so much wind. It's going to be very difficult to measure. The concern with this is that a lot of that occurs in a short time period. Doesn't mean we're not going to have snow during the day Friday, but much of this is going to happen before we get anywhere near early Friday morning. Speaking of Friday morning, you can see the wind chills dropping to 30 and greater than that below zero. So mist to rain, rain to snow for your Thursday planner here. And then once we get into the evening, that's when things will really start to happen. Sometimes one graphic will tell the story. Look how the bottom drops out. So that's right around 5 p.m. there in Indianapolis. Air temperature in gray, the wind chill in blue, and you can see it. Once we get down to 30 below on that wind chill and colder, we're going to stay there for possibly as much as 12 hours. And the last time that happened in Indianapolis, you have to go back to that brutal January 2014 storm. So Friday is going to be ugly. If you can, you're going to have to limit your outdoor time. And the roadways may keep you indoors anyways, but please know this is no joke. Outside on Friday probably would take, if you don't have your skin covered up, 10 minutes or less. You're going to get frostbite there. So temperatures, as you can see, are going to be nowhere near double digits, and that wind is going to stay tough here. This is at 5 in the morning. Wind gusts all day long Friday are going to be near 40 to 55 miles per hour. So whatever snow we have is going to be blowing around, lowering visibilities and keeping the blizzard conditions in play. Saturday, still breezy, not as strong, but we're still going to have gusts over 30. So we're still blowing snow around on Saturday, which is Christmas Eve. And then that low pulls away from us to finish the weekend. But we are going to have some rough stuff to go to get to a bitterly cold start to Christmas Day, which will be a white Christmas. All right, you can see the big drop there. A high of only 3 may be a struggle. Sub-zero Christmas Eve morning, sub-zero Christmas Day morning, and then we will start to see improvements as we head into the middle part of next week, and possibly could get over 40 degrees for daytime highs. Please take this storm seriously. If you can get everything wrapped up by 4 p.m. Thursday, that's what we're recommending. And if you have to travel, please have your safety kit in case something happens where you get off the side of the road. We will keep you updated. We appreciate you tuning in. Check back for more updates to come.